Okay, with these details here, let's answer question number 118. It reads, if the wages paid to men working in the agriculture sector in Goa are 335 on an average, what is the amount of wages paid to the women in the region here? See here, what are we looking for? Agriculture sector, okay, wages for men in this sector in Goa, okay, is given as how much? It is 335 on an average, and we want to calculate here the amount of wages paid to women in that region. Women in agriculture sector in Goa. Let's find out that agriculture sector. Where do we find here? Okay, okay, we find that agriculture sector here. Please see. Okay, here, see this. It reads, okay, according to this report here, in India, men earn 82% of labor income, whereas women earn 18% of it. A woman a woman agriculture field labor, okay, that means in agriculture sector only here, makes 88 per day lesser than her male counterpart. Okay, so woman makes how much? It is 88 per day less than her male counterpart here. So let us apply this okay, information here, and then try getting the answer here. See this. Okay, men gets how much? Okay, men is getting how much here? It is 335. Okay, on an average here. Okay, next one. So here I can tell this one. Okay, 335 on an average. Okay, so how much do the women here get means we can tell this one. It should equal how much? It's equal to 335 here, and then minus of an 88 here. Clear now? See here, what do we know? That woman actually field laborer makes 88 per day here, okay, less than her male counterpart here. So hence, okay, the women are getting 88 less than 335 here. Okay, let's calculate this one. This comes equal to 7 here. Okay, 84 is 12 here. So this is 247 here. Okay, from the options we can see this one here. It is neither of them. So hence we can tell none of this is the answer to this question. Clear?